In this video, I will show you how to download YouTube videos. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. So start off by opening your desktop browser and go to youtube.com. It will take you straight to the YouTube homepage. From here, you can explore and watch YouTube videos. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Then, go to YouTube Studio. This is the YouTube Studio page where you can view and manage your channel information. Now, go to the left panel and go to Content. Here, you can view your channel content as well as their views, comments, likes, and many more. If you want to download any video from here, then go over to that video. Then, tap on the three dots as shown. After that, tap on Download. You have now successfully downloaded this video. Now, tap on your profile again on the top right corner. Then, go to YouTube. You'll be taken back to the YouTube homepage. If you want to download any video from here, then go over to the video and tap on the three dots below it. Then, tap on Download. From here, select the download quality and then tap on Download at the bottom. The video is now being downloaded. Tap on View at the bottom, or go to Downloads on the left panel to view your downloads on YouTube. You can check the progress of your downloads over here. And that's it. This way, you can easily download YouTube videos.